Positive fits the Presidential Executive Order 13514 by diverting non-hazardous solid waste from landfill and by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. According to the US EPA, for every pound of Portland cement that's manufactured, a pound of CO2 gas emissions occur. An 8 by 8 by 16 concrete block consists of 5 pounds of Portland cement. There's 5 pounds of carbon emissions that are generated in that 5 pounds of Portland cement. By substituting 30% of the Portland cement in that concrete block, the net savings is approximately 1.5 pounds of carbon emissions. I don't burn the post-consumer glass. It's not rotary kilned at 2400 degrees, as is calcium carbonate and clinker, the feedstock for Portland cement, and that's where the carbon emissions occur.
Cement is the most polluting product in terms of CO2 on the planet. It is responsible for somewhere between 7 and 8% of the world's CO2. So if you could cut that by 30% worldwide, it would be enormous. It would be the single biggest move that anybody could make anywhere.
You know, you hear the term a ton of CO2 gas emissions. What does a ton of CO2 gas look like? Picture a football field and a balloon that started at the goal line and extended to the 10-yard line. The gas inside that ball would equate to a ton of CO2 gas. A typical project would be the Hegeman residence. It was designed by Cook plus Fox. On that project, we saved over 37 tons of carbon emissions. That's 37 of those round balls have not impacted the atmosphere. You could also look at landfill savings in terms of every pound of Portland cement that's replaced with Pozzotive, about 2.63 empty Heineken bottle equivalents are saved from being landfilled.
Paul Hawkins said in a really cool book, nature has no unemployment. There's also no waste in nature. If we expect to stay on this planet, we're going to have to find a way where we have no unemployment as well.